Monitoring application health is vital, but identifying which specific transactions are impacting your user experience is the first step toward optimization. Within the APM Insight tab, you can view your active applications. Selecting a specific monitor allows you to dive into the underlying performance data. In the Transactions section, you'll find a breakdown of all web requests. This is where you can spot outliers that require immediate attention. Note the ARH trace transaction here. With a response time exceeding 10 seconds, it's significantly slower than other requests and warrants closer inspection. By selecting this specific trace, you can analyze its latency trends and see exactly how this delay affects your overall performance metrics. To better manage this high-impact request, navigate to the Admin section, select APM Business Transaction Rules, and add a new rule. Provide a profile name and a description that reflects the need to monitor these specific high-latency data captures. Set the auto-detect frequency and choose whether to disable transaction grouping. Then move to defining your filter logic. You can choose to match any of these conditions or all of them to precisely filter your traffic. We'll specify the HTTP method as post and add a request path for ARH/trace to ensure this resource-intensive endpoint is tracked as a priority. Once the rule is saved, return to the APM Insight application settings to apply this targeted configuration to your monitor. Under Configuration Profiles, update the business transaction rules to your new Trace Data Capturing profile. Now, in the APM Business Transactions dashboard, RH Trace is isolated from general traffic, making it easier to track improvements as you optimize. This view provides dedicated metrics for your most critical and slowest transactions, including success rates and detailed response time breakdowns. You can also use the service map to visualize how these slow transactions interact with back-end components like Redis or Cassandra. By isolating high-latency requests as business transactions, you gain the visibility needed to resolve bottlenecks and ensure a smooth user experience.